Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build customer insights with Qualtrics step by step clearly. To build customer insights with Qualtrics, start by logging into your Qualtrics account. Navigate to the Projects tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to start a new project. Select the Survey option to create a new survey. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your research needs. Name your survey and provide a brief description. Click on Create Project to proceed to the survey editor. Begin adding questions by selecting the type that fits your goals, such as multiple choice or text entry. Focus on crafting clear, concise questions that are easy for respondents to understand. Use logic and branching features to ensure respondents only see relevant questions. Incorporate open-ended questions to gather qualitative insights from your customers. Preview your survey to check for any errors or confusing elements. Once satisfied, click on the Distributions tab to choose how you want to send the survey. Select the distribution method that best reaches your target audience, such as email or social media. After setting up your distribution, schedule the survey launch. Wait for responses to start coming in, monitor participation rates regularly to ensure adequate data collection. Once you have enough responses, navigate to the Data and Analysis tab. Explore the responses to uncover trends and patterns. Utilize Qualtrics analytics tools to visualize the data, using charts and graphs for clarity. Generate reports that highlight key insights and findings. Share your results with stakeholders, ensuring they understand the implications of the data. Make data-driven decisions based on the insights gathered from your survey. Regularly review and update your surveys to keep up with changing customer needs and preferences. By following these steps, you'll effectively build customer insights using Qualtrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.